In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use coupons on Kakobuy. To get started, head over to the Kakobuy website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, go ahead and create an account first. This is important because coupons are often linked directly to your account, especially welcome offers for new users or limited time promotional discounts. Once you're logged in, take a moment to check what coupons are already available to you. You can usually find these in the User Center or the My Coupons section. This is a useful step because some discounts are automatically added to your account, and you may also see special event coupons depending on current promotions. Before moving on, it's a good idea to review the coupon details so you understand where each one can be used. Next, add the items you want to buy to your cart. If you're not purchasing products directly, and instead you're sending out a warehouse parcel, prepare your shipment as usual. The goal here is simply to get to the stage where Kakobuy allows you to apply a coupon during payment. After that, continue to checkout. If you're paying for a warehouse shipment, move ahead to the shipping payment page instead. As you go through this section, look carefully for an area labeled coupon, promo code, or apply coupon. The exact wording may vary slightly, but this is the place where discounts are entered or selected. If you have a coupon code, type it into the box and click apply. Apply. If the coupon is already saved in your account, you may not need to type anything at all. In that case, just select the coupon from your list of available offers. Be sure to choose the one that gives you the best value for your order. Before you finish, check that the discount has actually been applied. You should see the total update on the order summary or shipping total. This is an important final check because many Kakobuy coupons only work on international shipping costs rather than the price of the products themselves. Also pay attention to expiration dates, minimum spend requirements, and any usage restrictions. Some coupon codes need to be redeemed in the user center before they can be used at checkout, so if a code doesn't appear right away, that may be the reason. In most cases, coupons are single use and usually can't be combined unless Kakobuy specifically allows stacking during a promotion. Once everything looks correct and your discount is visible, complete your payment to finalize the purchase or shipment. And that's how to use coupons on Kakobuy.